In this video, I'll walk you through the prompts module in Bud MCP Foundry. Every time you work with a language model, you start with a prompt. A prompt is the instruction you give the model. It sets the role, the context, the rules, and the format of the answer you want back. A good prompt is rarely a single line. It is written with care. It holds real expertise about how to get a reliable result. And in Agentic AI, a prompt does more than shape a single answer. It directs how an agent behaves. It can tell the agent which tools to reach for and when to use them. It can govern how it draws on your knowledge base. It can fix the exact shape of the data it returns. The prompt becomes the instruction that steers the whole agent. In most organizations, prompts are a problem hiding in plain sight. They are pasted into chat windows. They are buried inside application code. They sit in a document on someone's laptop. When a colleague writes a prompt that works well, that work rarely reaches the rest of the team. It is written once, then lost. This carries a real cost. The same task gets solved again and again with slightly different prompts. No one can say which version of a prompt is running in production or roll back when something breaks. And when the underlying model is updated, every hidden prompt has to be found and fixed by hand. The prompts module in Bud MCP Foundry addresses this. It treats prompts as managed assets, not scattered text. You build each prompt once as a reusable template. You add parameters so the same prompt adapts to different inputs. Every prompt is stored in one place, versioned, and reviewed before it goes live. You can read its history, compare versions, and roll back in moments. Let's take a look at how it works. Log into your MCP Foundry dashboard. Open the Prompts tab, and you find every prompt your organization has built, gathered in one place. To add your own, you click Add Prompt, and the process begins. The first thing it asks for is a name and a short description of what the prompt does. This is how your teammates will recognize it later, so it is worth being clear. If you like, you can add a few tags here too, and your prompt falls neatly into place alongside the others. Then comes the heart of it, the prompt template itself, written in Jinja 2. This is where a prompt stops being a fixed block of text and starts to adapt. You drop in variables, add a little logic, and shape the content around whatever inputs arrive. Write it once, and the same template quietly handles many different cases. From there, you settle the details. You define the arguments the prompt expects to receive. You decide who can see it, and if this is work the whole team should own, you assign it to them, so it belongs to the group rather than to one person. With that, the prompt is ready. The last move is to add it to your virtual servers, and this is where it comes to life. From this point on, every agent and every model that reaches the server takes its lead from the prompt you have written. One prompt, created once, now guides every agent that connects. Because the module speaks the model context protocol, every prompt you publish becomes available to any connected agent or client. It appears as a named command that a person or an agent can call directly. A prompt written by one team can be discovered and reused across the organization. And the prompt sits apart from the code that calls it, so it can be improved without touching the application. The result is straightforward. Your best prompts stop being disposable. They become shared, governed, and reusable across every agent you build. So that's a quick overview of the prompts module in Bud MCP Foundry. If you'd like to see it in action, reach out to us for a personalized demo.